Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Kawasaki Jetskis that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at rank number 5 is the M-Matty Safety Tether Lanyard Kill Stop Switch Upgrade. This product is perfect for those looking to upgrade their safety features on Kawasaki Jetskis. The tether lanyard is designed to shut down the engine automatically if the rider falls off, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. It also boasts compatibility with a wide range of Kawasaki models, including the JS300, JS440, and JS800, making it versatile for older and newer watercraft. In terms of design and build quality, the switch cover is crafted to OEM specifications and features durable materials to withstand wear and tear in rugged marine environments. The package includes a switch cover and safety lanyard packed neatly in a fine box. However, it's worth noting that the electrical switch is not included, which might require additional purchases for complete installation. This product's value lies in its ability to provide peace of mind for riders who prioritize safety. It's ideal for recreational riders and competitive racers alike. On the downside, the lack of an included electrical switch might be inconvenient for some buyers. Overall, it's a great safety upgrade that blends functionality with reliability. At rank number 4, we have the Atlantis Kawasaki Jetski Universal Flush Kit. This kit is specifically designed for all-year JS440, JS550, and 650SX models, making it a go-to solution for flushing out engines on older Kawasaki Jetskis. It's a straightforward tool that offers convenience, especially for DIY enthusiasts who prefer maintaining their watercraft at home. The design is lightweight, compact, and easy to handle, with a package weight of just 3.2 ounces. The flush kit's durable construction ensures it can handle frequent use without wear and tear. Its blue color adds a touch of vibrancy, though it's primarily a functional item. While the kit excels in simplicity, it lacks advanced features that some users may prefer for more comprehensive engine maintenance. This product is best suited for riders who need a simple and affordable solution for flushing their engines after use. However, it's not as versatile as some other options on this list, as it caters only to specific models. Overall, the Atlantis Flush Kit is a reliable option for budget-conscious buyers and owners of older Kawasaki Jetskis. At rank number 2, we have the Edwards Oil Change Kit, designed specifically for Kawasaki STX-15F Jetskis from 2004 to 2019. This comprehensive bundle includes 5 quarts of Kawasaki KPO 10W40 4-stroke watercraft oil, a genuine Kawasaki oil filter, and handy accessories like a funnel, towel, and gloves. This kit provides everything you need for a hassle-free oil change, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional workshops alike. The design and packaging are well thought out, with all components neatly organized for easy use. The high-quality oil ensures optimal engine performance and longevity, while the included tools, like the funnel and gloves, make the process cleaner and more efficient. The kit's weight and dimensions indicate a solid, durable product that delivers exceptional value. This oil change kit is perfect for riders who want a convenient, all-in-one solution for maintaining their jet ski engines. The only downside is the lack of price transparency, but its stellar customer reviews and high-quality components make it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're preparing for the season or conducting routine maintenance, the Edwards Oil Change Kit is a reliable choice. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Tridzy Boat Engine Flush Kit. This innovative flush kit is compatible with 1997 to 2011 Sea-Doo PWC models, excluding 1999 and 2000 GTS, as well as Kawasaki 4-stroke watercraft, making it the most versatile option on our list. It includes a slide valve and quick connect adapter, offering a convenient and user-friendly way to flush your engine without professional assistance. The design features high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring durability even in harsh marine environments. The quick-release mechanism simplifies the flushing process, while the compact dimensions make it easy to store and transport. With a customer rating of 4.6 stars, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. This product is ideal for riders who prioritize engine maintenance and want a long-lasting solution for their watercraft. The Jetski Flush Kit stands out for its robust build quality and wide compatibility, though its premium features may come at a higher cost. Overall, it's an excellent investment for any Kawasaki Jetski owner looking to keep their engine in top shape. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.